The SDX 230 stern drive is a premium adventure boat by Sea Ray. I'm Mark. I'm going to take you through this boat today and show you all the cool features we have aboard. Starting here at the swim platform, this boat is kitted with an optional manual flip down swim terrace. Makes a great swim seat for when you're enjoying the cove with your friends and family and hanging out in the water. But one thing I really like about this boat is this huge Sunpad space for when you're enjoying the back of the boat where the action's at. You can flip down this backrest and it turns into a big sunbed. We're gonna go through the cockpit now. As we make our way through, we have a door, easily opens up for access into the cockpit. There's in-floor storage, conveniently stashes your dock lines, fenders, things like that you wanna keep out of the way. Under this hatch is the engine compartment. So this is a Mercruiser stern drive boat with a Bravo 3. You also have storage here on the port side. There's recessed storage for quick to access items. You also have cup holders built into this recess. And when you get the entertainment bundle, you're also gonna have the inductive charging. So there's in-floor storage here in the cockpit space. But one thing that really stands out on this boat is how convertible it is. So whether you're cruising, enjoying a nice boat ride, or you wanna stop somewhere and entertain, you can easily slide these seats back, both on the captain seat and the companion seat, and it converts to a conversation area. There's a convenient grab handle here at your companion seat, along with that bolster. You also have quick access to adjust your stereo controls at the head unit here, and a glove box. While we're here in the cockpit, this boat is equipped with our Watersports Tower. It's an electric folding tower for easy storage. This also gives you the bimini top that you see here. It covers from the back of the cockpit space to the front of the windshield, so you have protection from the sun or inclement weather. Here at the helm in your captain's seat, you'll notice it's extra wide, but it's also convertible too, so your captain can enjoy the party. On the stern drive, you're gonna have a standard Simrad NSX9 display. This boat is equipped with our dual digital dash that gives you two 9-inch displays. Also at the helm, there's an adjustable bolster, so excellent visibility. You have cup holder on your left, another cup holder down by your knee. There's even an adjustable steering wheel. Another thing I'll mention is the digital throttle and shift, the electronic start and stop, as well as your active trim included on this boat. The SDX 230 stern drive also boasts a large head compartment space. You can also upfit this with the interior upgrade option. It's going to include cushions underneath. Another option you can add is the pump out head if you would like to have a toilet on the boat. As we make our way to the bow, we'll go through this walkthrough. You have an opening window. It locks securely in place. Over on the port side, you have extra storage here. You can stash life jackets. There's also dedicated storage for your tables if you get the comfort bundle. One thing I really like too is you have this wind dam. You can set this up, close the windshield, protects you from the wind on those cold days, really extend your season. Up in the bow, there's generous seating for adults and kids alike. You have an option for a filler cushion with the comfort bundle, as well as a bow table. There is USB A and C charging ports on both port and starboard side. You have stainless steel cup holders, a recess tray for your mobile devices, as well as grab handles. And behind me, there's also this built-in cooler. You can have your drinks up here while you're at it. On the front of the bow, there's a dedicated anchor locker with a center cleat and an optional bow boarding ladder. So if you love to beach your boat, it's a great option to have. Then you don't have to swim all the way around to the back of the boat. Thanks for joining us on this walkthrough today. For more information or to find your local dealer, visit searay.com.